Sup yo, this is the OnGreenShow. I'm Ryan Oceans and this is how I made these diorama walls. I made a few different, there's 2 cement walls, a brick wall, and a wood fence. So I start with, it's just MDF foam, but it's cheap, like foam floor mats for kids, $4 for the 4 or maybe less. So I thought Mod Podge would be a good glue. First I sealed it with a heat gun so it didn't just absorb all the glue, and Mod Podge wasn't a good choice. But now I'm making the brick wall and I'm just deeply scoring all the brick notches. Yeah, you can see it better there. I'm just stabbing randomly and scraping just to add some age and weathering. Now with the heat gun I'm sealing it and it brings out all the details. I just have an orange and I'm just lightly putting orange on, and not perfect everywhere, and I'm impatient, so I dried that with the heat gun, and that's clear matte varnish. Apply that, dry that with the heat gun, because yeah. Now I have a black wash. It's just black acrylic with water, and I apply that as much as I can in the details and rub it off, and you can see how much better it looks with that wash. It changes the whole thing. And put another coat on after that one dried. Alright, so the walls, that one's ready. I'm just cutting this to size. Now I'm just randomly scoring and beating up, and then heat sealing. So I'm going to use this piece as like a ledge, because I want to add as much depth as I can in this wall. That's why I did 3 different ones. I don't know if this camera's gonna last. I don't know, I just have a dark gray to start with, but then I started and realized I have to seal up a lot of stuff. So to do that, I'm just using spackling. I like it, it's cheap and it's easy to work with. I'm just filling in all the gaps. It dries pretty fast. And then I just randomly mark up the wall. It'll make it look more realistic when I'm done. Going on first coat, it's just a dark gray. This is kind of boring. Alright, and I go over with a bit of a lighter gray. Measured for a door, but I messed up with this door. I built everything else to like a 6-inch figure scale, but that door I was looking at a 4-inch turtle, so it's too small. I might fix that one day, but I didn't realize until after I finished editing this video. But yeah, now I'm going over everything with a wash, especially this door because I didn't paint it. So to make the fence, those are just tongue depressors, and I cut off the round tips and just build a back piece out of craft sticks, and that's how I lay it out. Just use super glue, and then I stain it. That's just brown shoe polish. I like it, it's easy to work with. It's good for staining small wood projects, and by just doing it darker in some places and randomly, it adds character and age. Now I have a black wash. I'm just going mostly at the top and the bottom where I think it'll have more damage or wear and tear. Add some handles to the door because those doors were looking funny to me and I didn't know how I was going to fix it, so I kept adding details. To make the fence stick out a little more, I added some foam pieces, and then I added some little wood pieces to those. Just adding some details, make a yellow line. So how I made that, it's just you peel off one side of the cardboard and then I painted it black and silver and copper, but that was from a piece I did a long time ago. I just had a scrap. Now I cut out a little bit of damage. How I made this, it's for rebar, it's what's it called? Pipe cleaner, and then you burn off the hair and paint it up with some silver and copper and it looks like old rebar. So I added some detail and made that stick in that little spot. Now I drew that. There are two references there. Let me know in the comments if you figure them both out. One I think is pretty easy. So these are just pictures. I made it so when I take pictures of my figures. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Peace.